Let's look at how to create a class in Google Classroom. As online learning has become increasingly popular, Google Classroom has emerged as a powerful tool for educators and students alike. Whether you're a teacher, tutor, or even a parent facilitating remote learning, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up a class in Google Classroom. Step 1. Open Google Classroom. Step 2. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner to start creating a new class. Step 3. Fill in the details of the new class. Step 4. From your New Rooms page, click on the cog icon from the top right corner to open class settings. Here you can edit the description and specify the grading system. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.